Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got an exciting topic lined up for you. In this video we will be showing you step by step how to create a presentations using AI. For this we will be using vpeak.com. It's a fantastic platform to create a presentation. So let's go. Okay, let's type vpeak.com. Here you can choose presentation maker from bottom of the screen, or choose one from the top features menu. So let's choose the one from top menu. Now you can see the screen, the landing page for AI presentation maker. So next step will be to register the account for us. Let's do that now. Let's go to the login. So we landed on the page where we create account. Let's create one with Google. So we've created an account successfully with Google. Let's click on get started. Okay, now let's choose a topic. In our case it will be marketing agency. The next one will be writing tone. I think there's several choices, but I've choose the creative one. And on the language menu I will be choosing auto for the purpose of this video. At the bottom you can see the various styles. For the purpose of this video I will choose abstract version of it. Now let's generate our presentation. It might take a minute or two, so be patient. Wow, amazing guys, that's the presentation which we've got, and I think it's absolutely crazy. It's nice, it's generated within the 2 minutes. Perfect. It is also generating a text for you. All this content for your slides is there, so that's absolutely amazing. So now what I would suggest to do, let's update one of those slides. I'll take the picture out and then replace the picture. You can do that, and then you can update the text down here. I'll quickly show you how to do it here. Let's go to the navigation menu and choose the photo to replace the picture. And now let's fit the picture to our slide. Let's change the text. Just leave it intro in this case. So on the next slide we'll make a little bit more adjustments. I'll change the background to the different colors, so it looks at how quick is it. Like, you can adjust the picture like that, and you can also add element down here. In this case I'll just add small and nice sticker. This guy who is just presenting something, it's absolutely fit for the purpose. So look at this guys, it's amazing. You can do that within the minutes. If I'll do that in different application, that will take ages. Let's click on the present to see what we've got. I would say unlikely we're going to make that happen within any other applications. That's absolutely perfect. Guys, this is absolutely perfect application. Within the minutes we've got the slides ready, and it's a nice presentation. You can present it straight from the Explorer. On the top menu, click on sharing button. Here the social media you can share your slide with and send link or embed into your website. On the next one there's a download button. You can download it in PNG, high quality PNG without background, JPEG and PDF format. For the purpose of this video I'll download in PDF format. So guys, let's see what we've got now. Guys, I think that's a great tool. It did what it should be doing. So give it a try for yourself. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit like button and get subscribed to our channel to see more that kind of video in the future. And thanks for watching.